apart. Take all these screws out. And the thing that's holding it back would be this wheel that goes through with an axle all the way. So we have to punch that out. Whatever we can find that will go in that hole. A little Allen wrench, maybe it'll do it. Wait, might have a set screw. Does not. Just pressed in there. Don't like using this for a punch, but gotta do what I gotta do, and it don't work. I was believing that this thing had been worked on, now I'm believing it's not. Well, hit it harder. Just pressed on there. Now we're going to get into the gearbox. And we're finding a non-broken tappet plate, even though the tappet plate wasn't moving. The nozzle's little ridge here is broken. This explains why it was kind of weird sounding to me. So this thing's been apart, and somebody, because I can feel it, super glued the nozzle to the tappet plate. Nozzle didn't like that. So it's not a blown tappet plate problem. It's all right, we'll get a replacement nozzle and show you how to put one of these things back together. Probably reshim it. Yeah, clean all this toxic gel, A&K grease out of here, and inspect the switch. We'll check everything out so that we don't ever have to take this beast apart again.